Yo, Philly 254 living life, back at it. So what we got right here is a little different. We got something a little different. No reviews or anything like that, but we're talking about the Steam Deck today, which your boy did order or pre-ordered one last year. So as we all know, Valve isn't really giving concrete dates on when you're gonna get it. Just kind of giving you what queue number you are, and then Q1, Q2, Q3 in the year. Right now, as you can see, I'm on Q3. So, but we do have is someone has contributed a little calculator to kind of give you an idea when you would be getting your Steam Deck if you've not already gotten yours. So let's go through the steps, and don't worry, I will put the links to all the web pages in the description. Let's go through the steps to take a look and see how you can kind of get an idea of when you would be getting your Steam Deck. So first of all, you want to log into Steam on your browser. I'm doing this from my phone. Yes, you can do this from your mobile. You can also do it from your PC, of course. I'm doing this from my phone, but you want to log into your Steam account. As you can see right there, there goes me sitting there chilling at $3.99. Got my little reservation going there, 64 gig. Yeah, I got the cheapest one because you know what? I knew I was going to be an early adopter. I didn't want to go all out and get a $700 device and then it sucks, right? $400, not too bad. So $400, where we at? All right, so what we're gonna do after you log into your account, you're gonna go over here, which I've already kind of got these saved in my tabs here. You want to log over to this website right here. Again, links will be in the description. What you're looking for is you're gonna want to get their time. It's called the RT reservation time, and what you're gonna use that is you're gonna use that as the, I guess you call it, timestamp of when you ordered your deck. So right here, and all this jumbled mess, that's what you're looking for, RT reservation time. So technically, the numbers that are listed right after that, you're gonna grab those, copy. You're gonna grab those numbers. Then you're gonna go to the other actual GetMyDeck site, and let me go back one here. How do I go back? Go back. So I don't wanna. Oh. Labidu51, that's the man who created it, by the way. Go back. There we go. So you're going to go ahead and go down. You're going to choose what region you ordered it from. Of course, I was US. It kind of remembers everything I already put in there because I just checked it one more time. After you put in your region, you're going to put what version you reserved, as we'd already discussed, 64 gig. Now, what you're gonna do is put that information you copy and pasted into here. But before you do that, you actually have the option to also put in real dates and times, which looks cool and all, but then you also got to know the minutes and hours that you actually reserved it. And if you remember all that, good deal. I'm not 100% sure how to get that information, so I didn't do that. So we're just gonna go ahead and go back to just the little code that we did just paste or copy. We're going to paste it in there, and we're going to get your pre-order status. There you go. Now it gives you some results real quick, and it definitely lines up to where when I ordered my deck. As you can see, you reserved your deck 2 days at 0 hours and 53 minutes. Basically 2 days and around midnight, almost 1 o'clock in the morning is when I ordered it, which is, I do remember it distinctly being pretty late when I ordered it. And as we saw earlier, it was on... There we go. Let's go to it real quick. The 18th, I think it was. Yeah, the 18th. And I think the deck went on, well, I won't say went on sale, but basically people could reserve like on the 15th or 16th or whatever it was. So let's go back. And as you see the next line, it definitely says you have 1 day, 17 hours, 23 minutes, and 54 seconds of orders to go until it's your turn. So that's not saying I'm going to get my deck or get the email in about 2 days. It's basically saying I have about 2 days worth of orders ahead of my order. Kind of gives you a rough estimate of how far you are in the line. And then of course it gives you a percentage. It kind of gives you a better idea, 15% of the way there. So that's where we're at, or that's where I'm at personally. And this little graph that kind of shows you where you've been at, all this different stuff. And again, shouts out to this dude, cannot pronounce his name, Labidu51. He's the man who created this. There was I mean, I think originally it was a Reddit bot that he created that did all this. Or I don't know if it was him, but someone did that did all this. And this kind of just saves you the time of having to go to Reddit and type in the commands and all that fun stuff to get the deck or find out the information or whatnot. So it's cool. I like it. And from what I've, the research I've done on it, this seems to be pretty darn accurate. And he keeps it updated pretty freely. Let's right now, data last updated on DeckBot sheet 6/29/22. So, and considering Valve has recently stated that they have ramped up the orders that they're shipping out, yeah, I'm with this. I like this. So, of course, once your boy gets a deck, I'm gonna definitely do a review of it. But I can't wait. I'm sure those who have pre-ordered can't wait either. Hang in there. We almost there. We got this. So, if you like the video, like, subscribe, walk around, check out the other videos, do your due diligence, and I will catch you on the flip side.